Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check the system menu version and free space, and connect the Wii to the internet. Once done, power on the console and pair a charged Wii remote so you can navigate. Make sure your router provides a stable connection. If Wi-Fi is weak, use a LAN adapter. Next, open Wii Options and select Wii Settings. You will start the network check there, so be ready to follow on-screen prompts and accept terms when requested. You now trigger the download and installation. In Wii Settings, go to Internet, select System Update, and let the console contact Nintendo servers. During download, keep the Wii powered and avoid interrupting the connection. An interrupted update can corrupt system files. Once download finishes, the installer will run automatically and reboot the console as needed. Stay by the TV to confirm each prompt, and make sure you accept any license or confirmation screens, so the installation proceeds to the finalization stage. Finish by verifying the updated system menu version and testing online features like the Shop channel. If the update fails, don't panic. Restart your router and Wii, then retry. Transient network issues often cause problems. Make sure the power light stays solid. Avoid power loss during updates. If errors persist, switch to a wired LAN adapter to eliminate Wi-Fi instability. Note the error code shown and try again. You can repeat the updates safely after addressing network or power issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.